In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a decrease round and a invisible decrease. So you have these like V-shaped underneath in this space here is where we're going to do our crochets. So to do a decrease, if it tells you to decrease, DEC in the pattern is decrease. So you insert your hook underneath that V to the left, out to the other side, and you're going to go in like you're going to do a single crochet, but you're not going to finish. You're going to have two stitches on your hook, and then in the next stitch from the one you just went into, you're going to insert your hook again and go into that stitch, yarn over like you're going to do a single crochet, and pull through like that, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all three stitches. So this is considered a decrease. You're putting two stitches together and decreasing it. So we'll try it again. We'll put our crochet hook in underneath the V, yarn over, go into your next stitch, pull some yarn, yarn over, and pull through all of these. And we'll try it again. So we're going to insert our hook underneath the V, pull up some yarn, bring it through, don't finish it, go into your next stitch, pull up some yarn, and you have three on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all three. So to do the invisible decrease, you have these two stitches here. If you turn it towards you, you'll see that it's like a V shape. You have a back one and a front one, a back one and a front one, a back one and a front one. So this loop, like when we turned it this way to go underneath, you're not going to go through both of these. You're just going to go through this, the front one only, in the center of your V. And you're going to yarn over, pull through, and then in your next stitch, instead of going through both, you're going to just go through the front one into the center, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through, and then you have three on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all three of those. So again, we'll try that. So it'll be your front loop only. You're going to put your yarn through and bring it through, and then in your next stitch, in the front loop only, put your hook through the center, yarn over, pull through, and you have three on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all three. So that's an invisible way to do it, and you have the original way to do it. It just looks cleaner when you do the invisible decrease. So you have some patterns that will say decrease and some that will say increase. So to increase, you're just putting your hook through both of them and doing two single crochets into that. if it says increase double, you're going to do your double crochet and insert your hook, and then do your double crochet twice into the same stitch to increase. But to decrease, again, I'll show you. You're going to put your crochet hook in between, underneath those two spots at the top that look like a V. Bring some yarn over and then go to your next stitch. Insert your hook, pull up some yarn, and then go through, and you have 3 on your hook, and then go through all 3. So that's how you do like a decrease.